How to harvest rewards from your Pancakeswap staking pools. Open your Trustwallet app. Scroll down to the bottom and click on the dApp Browser tab. Now type this website https://pancakeswap.finance/staking on the search bar and hit enter. It will prompt you to this page, then just click on the three lines located at the upper right. Then click on the Pools tab. Scroll down and look for TWT pools where you have put your staking to earn more TWT. As you can see, I have already earned 19 TWT. That's already a great passive income. In order to harvest it, just click on the harvest button and follow the prompts. After clicking on the harvest button, it will prompt you here, then just go ahead and click on the approve button in order to confirm it. After you have approved it, that TWT rewards that you have harvested will automatically goes to your Trustwallet app. Just simply go back to your main wallet dashboard and you should see your TWT that you have harvested, that it was already added to your TWT balance. That's all. Have a nice day.
Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell button. That would be greatly appreciated.